Juma Shakira, one of the authors of Laboratory Insider. I'm here today to talk about moon beads, one of the natural birth control methods. Moon beads are easy way of tracking the woman's menstrual cycle in case like the day she can become pregnant, that she's most likely to become pregnant. How are they used? Moon beads, they have 4 colors. 4 where we have white, dark brown, brown and red. So every day every bead represents a day of the menstrual cycle. So you have to move the rubber ring every day through all the beads, depending on how long your cycle is. So the day you start your menstruation, you move the rubber ring to the red bead. So you move every day, every day the rubber ring, each bead. So the rubber ring is moved to the red bead when the woman starts her menstrual cycle. So from the day 8 to day 19, those are white beads, and they represent unsafe days. In case the woman has sexual intercourse, she's most likely to conceive. And the dark brown ring and the red ring, they represent those days when the woman is less likely to conceive in case she has unprotected sex. So this moon bead can be used by people who have been on contraceptives, breastfeeding mothers, but only when they have resumed their regular cycles. And moon beads, however, they work for those people with their cycles between 26 days to 32 days. So also that dark brown ring, that dark brown bead, it represents whether your cycle is shorter than 26 days. So for those people with less than 26 days, the rubber ring won't reach the dark brown bead. So the advantages of using the moon bead: first of all, it is cheap, it is easy to use, and it's effective. It is acceptable by most religions, and also it helps the woman to understand and to keep track of their menstrual cycle. And it doesn't interfere with the normal physiology, all the normal functioning of the body, because it doesn't involve any hormones, so it doesn't have side effects. Then the disadvantages: it doesn't protect someone from HIV and those STDs. And also it requires when the partner or the woman is in good relationship with her partner, because you have to sit, and when the ring is in the white bead, you have to sit and decide to abstain or to use condom with your partner. So it requires when you are in good relationship with your partner. However, moon beads can work for everyone, and you can find them in clinics, shops, so you can buy them. Someone can ask, in case I lose track or I forget to move the ring, those moon beads, when you buy them, they contain a small calendar, so you can move the ring as you are ticking or you are circling on the calendar. So in case you may lose track or you forget to move the ring, you go back on your calendar and you count how many days you've missed, then you can move the ring, and that helps you to keep track of your menstrual cycle, so that you don't get any unwanted pregnancy, so that you can plan properly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and read our website.